Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. So this is power 5. We can express this as summation of 4 and 1 because we already have 4 here. We have 16 power 4 plus 1 minus 16 to the power of 4. Now if you have a power n plus n, this equals a power n times a to the power of n. Now we apply same identity here. We have 16 power 4 times 16 power 1 minus 16 power 4. We have 16 power 4 here, we have another 16 power 4 here. We factor that out. We have 16 power 4 times this divided by 16 power 4. We have 16 minus this divided by 16 power 4. We have 1. From here we have 16 power 4 times 16 minus 1. We have 15. Now this is 16. We can express 16, which is a perfect square, as 4 power 2. From there we can also express 4 as 2 power 2. This is raised to the power of 2. You have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times m. Multiplying this out, we have this is 2 power 4. We have 2 power 4 by 16 raised to the power of 4 times 15. From here, remember, a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times m. Applying this right here, we multiply 4 times 4, we have 2 power 16 times 15. What is the value of 2 power 16? We can express this as 2 power 16 is 10 plus 6 times 15. Now, if you have a power n plus m equals a power n times a power n. Applying this right here, we have 2 power 10 times 2 power 6 times 15. From here, we need to find the value of 2 power 10. This equals to power 5 times 2. From here, we have 2 power 5 all to the power of 2. From here, 2 power 5 is simply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 into 5 places, and that is 32. This to the power of 2. So, finding the square of this is 32 times 32. We multiply out 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. We are going to add this together. This 4, 12 to carry over 1 at here 10. 1024. So this is 1024 times 2 to the power of 6 times 15. From here, 2 to the power of 6 is simply 2 to the power of 5 times 2. And 2 to the power of 5 from here is 32. So from here we have 32 times 2. And 32 times 2 is 64. So 2 power 6 is 64. So that means we have 1024 times 64 times 15. Now let's multiply this out. 1024 times 64. We can express 1024 as summation of 1000 plus 24 times 64. So 64 will multiply 1000 and 64 multiplies 24. 64 times 1000 plus 64 times 24. This will give us 64,000 plus 64 times 24. 4 times 4, 16, 6 over 1. 4 times 6, 24, 24 plus 1, 25. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 6, 12. We add up 6. This is 13. 3 over 1, add here 5. You have 1536. You have 64,000 plus 1536. So let's add this together. So we add 64,000 plus 1536. This is 6, this is 3, this is 5, this is 5, this is 6. So we have this 65,536. Remember, we are going to multiply that with 50. So we have 65536 times 15. So let's multiply this out. 65536, 15. So we have 5 times 6, 30, 0 over 3. 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, 18. 8 over 1. 5 times 5, 25, 25 plus 1, 26. 6 over 2. 5 times 5 again, 25, 25 plus 2, 27. 7 over 2. 5 times 6, 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Consider 1 times 6, 6, 1 times 3, 1 times 5, 1 times 5 again, 1 times 6, we have 6. Add up this together. 0, 8 plus 6, 14, 4 over 1. Add here, 7 plus 3, that is 10, 0 over 1. Add here, 8 plus 5, 13, 3 over 1. Add here, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 3 plus 6, 9. This is what we are getting. Or 16 power 5 minus 16 power 4. We are having 983,040. So this is our answer without the use of calculator, step-by-step process and analysis. So guys, this is how you are going to do it. A quick recap is for you to express this 5 here as summation of this 4 and 1. Because we have 4 here already and we apply this identity. With the use of this identity, we have this, then we can easily factor out the common term, which is 16 power 4. Then from here, we evaluate it to have 16 power 4 times 15. Then we multiply this, we have this. Then from here, we splitted this 16 into 2 terms, which is 10 and 6. Then we have 2 power 10 times 2 power 6 times 15 based on this identity. Then from here, 2 to the power of 10 is 1024 from what we have done so far. If you know it, just insert it. 2 to the power of 6 is 64. 15 there is there already. You multiply these two out. Then before you multiply by 15, you can as well multiply 64 times 15, then you multiply by 1024. You still have the same thing. So at the end, after adding and subtraction, you have this 983040. So that is it, guys. Thank you and see you again.